Hello everyone, welcome to this new session from CloudQ. Today we'll be creating your very first lead in Salesforce in different ways. We will be talking about creating a lead manually as well as using a web-to-lead form to capture leads. To create a lead manually, let's head over to the Leads tab and click New. Let's also input all the required fields mentioned. Put in my first name and last name as well as the company. Also make sure to give your lead status as well and click Save. There you have it. Your lead has been created manually. Next, let's create a web-to-lead form to capture leads. For that, head over to your org's setup and in the quick find box, enter web-to-lead and click on create web-to-lead form. It shows you a list of available fields that you can select to show up in your lead form. And remove country and state province for now. CAPTCHA isn't needed and click on generate. Gives you a piece of HTML code where you can add a bit of CSS to create your own personalized form like this. I'll add in some details. And my email ID. Company name and the city. I'll click submit. Go back to my org and click refresh. As you can see, a lead record has been created from the web to lead form as well. Thank you.